I call this the Bachelor fold. Lay out your shirts. Turn your sleeves in toward the center. Going to make two stacks. One stack with good shirts and one stack with your older frayed shirts. Now I've stacked the good shirts. These are the worn shirts and good shirts that were torn early on in life. Make a second stack. Once stacked, you take the stack by the shoulders and you do a three-fold. 1, 2, 3. You put it in the bag so that the necks of the shirts go to the outside of the bag and the tails will be in between the two stacks. The necks face up, the tails go down to the bottom of the bag. Nope, I got one more good shirt here that was not in the laundry stack. Belly toward you, chest away from you, neck toward you. Put the stacks so their tails are both against each other. I did do that, right? Yeah, okay. There you go. Tails are both against each other and the necks are toward the outside of the bag. And when you need a shirt, I'll be going to bed later on tonight, so I will take it from the nighttime shirts. You take the innermost sleeve, and there you go. One shirt at a time. All good. Your drawers you just throw into a separate bag. No need to fold anything like that.